Maybe I'm the crazy lady. Do you ever stop and think that when you say crazy lady? Maybe you are the crazy lady. But I'm not. Yeah. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up my Ipsy bag. I got this in the mail today, came home, saw it, decided to sit down and open it with you. I got a little excited and opened up the top, but that's besides the point. We're still here together doing this thing together. So yeah, we're going to open this. I've seen a few people open theirs, mixed reviews. I hope I like mine. So let's get into it. Of course, every month Ipsy sends you, I believe it's $12 a month. They send you 5 sample size or deluxe size products that you can get. I signed up for the yearly membership instead of the month to month, which is $12. So I think I only pay like about $11 a month maybe. But anyway, I know it's cheaper if you do it for the long haul. Okay, this is cute. I like this. This is like a nice yellow, like a lemony yellow bag, and you have everybody sunbathing. Totally what I wish I was doing right now. That is cute though. And as always, you have the little Ipsy logo on the handle. I like that you get the bag, of course, every month with all your little products because it gives you somewhere to keep them. I also use this for more than just my makeup. I've put stickers, I organize hair accessories in these. Goodness, I give them to plenty of people who also use them for things. I also have a few that I have as handbags because they were that good looking. Yeah. This one is really cute. This is super summery, so I may actually put some of the stuff we would use to go swimming or to the beach or something in here. Just like the little things that you can never seem to find, I'll put in here so I can find them. Cool. Let's dive in. Get it? Dive in. The beach, babe. You get it. First thing, oh, that caught my eye is this. And it is a body lotion. Let me see. Oh. And here's the card that does not tell you. Okay. So usually, or what used to happen, Ipsy used to send you these little cards every month in your bag to let you know about all the products you are receiving. And they've been off and on, you know, not including them, including something different, including manufacturer cards. This tells me about my SPF. What the French toast. I'm not jazzed about that, but that's pretty neat, I guess. The theme for the bag of June is Make Waves. That is helpful information. Hashtag Ipsy Make Waves. On the back, it lets you know how to enter their giveaway for $1,000. And also a save the date for when you can choose a product. Ipsy has also been doing this new thing. I want to say like just this year, maybe the end of last year, they started doing it where you can pick one product out of all the products you get to kind of start off your bag and go from there. Let me actually see if I can pull it up on my email on the interweb. Got it. So your June glam bag. About the bag, the summery clutch, boom, is here to make you make waves with every beauty move you take. Yes. And this doesn't go in order, but I'm gonna scroll down here. This one is from NANETTE LEPORE. It is body lotions in colors of Nanette. This is really cute. Let me open it. Peel this. I kind of like took for granted when little things would come with the little seals on top, but then I started noticing some products don't, and it makes me wonder who's had access to what. So when they come with a little seal on it, I no longer hate that. Oh, that smells nice. It's like a soft, I'm gonna put it on. It's like a soft floral, nice little, what is this? Okay, so on the back it says you get a free gift when you visit the website, and you get 50% off when you use the code Ipsy NL50. That is actually pretty neat. It smells pretty neat. Ooh. It's so cooling. It's nice. I really like the way this smells. It's like fresh and florally, and like you have that hint of cotton in there. Very nice. I love these little hand lotions, and I'm kind of a hoarder. I'll tell you why. They fit everywhere. They fit in here. They fit with your phone. They go pretty much everywhere with you. I have a ton of these at my desk, around the house, in cars. I give them as gifts to friends. They love this stuff because, again, it's so easy to just put everywhere and you always have access to it. So that is a great thing. I will be keeping this and using this often. Oh, this is cute. What are you? Let me take this off. It is a MAELLE Clear Brilliant Tinted Lip. Let me see if you can see it. It's like a lip crayon. I really love the ones from ColourPop. I've gotten addicted to them. I picked one up, I think, once when I was at Ulta. I figured I'd give it a try, you know. We'll see. And oh my gosh, it blew me away. I've been wearing them ever since. I'm almost out of one. I got a different colored one now, so I also ordered a whole set. But we're not talking about that. Check out this lip thing in fuchsia. So this is the MAELLE Beauty. I'm totally mispronouncing that. I don't know if you can see. Either way, I'm mispronouncing it. It is the Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Fuchsia. It looks really glossy or oily. It's got like that shine to it. I'm going to go ahead and try it on just to see. Yeah. This is nice. I'm probably gonna pop this in my bag and keep this with me now and use it throughout the day because this color is really cute. It's really flattering for me anyway. I like it. I don't have a color I think that's this dark. I have more of a deeper maroon, and then I also have like a bright orange in a lip crayon, but this is really cute. It's so tiny though compared to my bigger ones, but I'm totally gonna be using this. I love this. And I love that I get to discover other brands too, thanks to Ipsy. This is a huge plus. I'm probably gonna end up looking this up. Hopefully I don't binge on a whole bunch of their products as well. I'm worried I'm never gonna get to use all the products I buy, but I love them, so. Next, oh, this is cute, from First Aid Beauty. I love anything from First Aid Beauty. I have a ton of their stuff. My skin absolutely loves any of their products. Their washes, their scrubs, their lotions, their creams, like you name it, my skin just soaks it up. It is like in love with it. This is a Pores Be Gone matte primer with fig extract. Let me see if my thing tells me. No, it just says hello fab Pores Be Gone matte primer, and that is it. This is actually going to come in handy. The last couple weeks it's been pretty warm where I am here in Arizona, to the point where I feel like it's the end of the day and my face is barely hanging on, like it is melted. Poor thing. So hopefully this will help. I don't sweat really, but I have oils for days. Like if we were gonna have a luau, The oils that my face produces in a week's time can keep us partying all night long. All night long. So I'm gonna have to give this a try. One, I love First Aid Beauty, and two, I need that matte in my life. I love matte. Next, oh, cute. It is a Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. Dewy Tree Clean Project? Okay, just look at it. Let me look it up and see what it is here. That is it. Okay, so pretty much everything I'm reading to you off of here is what's on here, so I know everything. Let's see. Slightly acidic cleansing foam helps sebum control for sensitive skin. I don't necessarily have sensitive skin. I do have skin, so I mean, I can give this a try. I don't see why not. I already have like a little routine going, but there's always room for more or less, depending. So that's cool. And then finally, let me open this. Oh, this is from OFRA. It is a highlighter in the shade SOHO. I was about to say ho-ho. It ain't Christmas. Ho-ho! Look at this. That is cute. Hi. My goodness. Okay, I know I'm taking a lot of the attention off of it, but have you seen that? That is really nice. Let me... I don't think I put highlight on today. This is just oil from today, like I had mentioned previously. Let me... So cute. Ooh! Goodness. Ooh, hi. Shoe hair. No matter what I do, my hair just has to be on my face. I pull it back in a bun, still has to be all up on my face. What? Okay, hi. How are we doing? You see this? Do you see this? That's like the shiniest gold ever. I'm just bathing myself in it. It's fine. That is cute. I like this. I don't know if you like it. I like it. And I'm not one for like this gold color, but it has kind of like a peachy color to it. It doesn't say anything about that, well, tones. It does have this peachy undertone to it. I think that's what's making it work so well with my skin. I've never liked yellow on my skin. I just like yellow gold. I can't. It just, I don't look with this. I like it. This is good. Bam. That's nice. I'm gonna use this probably on the daily right now, since I don't really have a highlighter I found that I've stuck with. This, actually, now that I'm noticing, this doesn't seem like a sample size. This seems like a full size product. Like, look how huge this is. Is it just me? Maybe it, like, are you supposed to be? Are you supposed to be a full size product? SOHO highlighter. I picked this. It looks so much small. Well, okay, to me it looks like it's gonna be small just because, you know, you have like the tiny little thing. Like, it just, it looks like it's gonna be so much small, but it's actually pretty big. That is really neat. Ding. Oh, it is a champagne peach highlighter. Okay. Okay, we win. Summer highlight right here. This is going everywhere. kind of glad this isn't really a sample size because I'm going to use this a lot. So I'm going to need a lot, clearly. But yeah, that is everything. Let me just pop it all back in here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5. All in my little bag. And I have got to say, and as you can kind of see with me staring at my face here, I really like these products. This is a good, I wouldn't really say good month, because Ipsy, I don't think Ipsy's ever really given me a bad month. That's why I've kept them for so long. Like, it's been years, and there are reasons why it's been years, because Ipsy is that good. Yeah. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked any of the products that I did. I pretty much liked them all, so let me know if you got anything different in your Ipsy bag, and if you liked them or disliked them, let me know. And I will catch you next time. We'll meet around here again, say Thursday, Sunday. Sounds cool? Yeah. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.